Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP is doing what it's supposed to be doing here. Coming down further, we are tracking currently this downtrending ending diagonal at the moment. By the way, let me just change the timestamp while we're here. Not Mary, May. Okay. Downtrending, so we've been talking about this downtrend, obviously. We said this is certainly the primary assumption as long as we stay below 55 cents. And I believe in the last video we already lowered down the relevant resistance down to the wave B high here. So basically 48.7 cents. So as long as we stay below that level, the focus can be on the downside. And if you're wondering, again, I explained it in the last video, but if you're wondering why I'm counting the third wave, so basically we're looking here at this C wave. Yeah, the C wave is a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It came down 30% roughly, I think. Yeah, 30% of the high. And I'm looking at this as an ending diagonal. In an ending diagonal, the subwave structure are A, B, C structures. I mean, what would be the alternative? The alternative would be to count it as a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. And then it would just be a little bit different on the way down, right? But I think the idea of an ending diagonal makes sense given the choppy nature of this decline here, where we had corrections where we shouldn't have some. So I'm counting that as an A, B, C now, and it seems to be adhering well to it. I mean, yesterday I think we were somewhere here, yeah. Just before breaking down, I made the video, forecasted further downside here generally. And it looked like next wave down would be a third wave, and this is certainly indicative of a third wave. That looks complete. Might be that we're working on the fourth wave now, highlighted already on the chart. And then the next wave down would be the wave 5 to complete this C wave. Yeah, let's just calculate where that actually could land. If I'm taking here the A wave length and we go to the high of the B wave and the C wave, I mean, a typical target would be, so the first target here is 61.8 extension. I think I mentioned it in the last video. We reacted to it, but not in a very bullish way. But the more common target is the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension, points to 38.2 cents. And I wouldn't be surprised to get there in this fifth wave. Yeah. Then we should get a fourth wave up. Yeah. And then a fifth wave down, which should also be an ABC structure. And this eventually should lead to new bear market lows. Not will, but should. There is another chance for XRP to find support. I think I showed you that in the last videos as well, because we have an alternate wave 2 low here, so that it bottomed actually on the 12th of March in a wave 2, and then we would have another 1-2 setup here, but it would need to find support in a certain range. Otherwise this will get unlikely or less likely. It already is less likely in my opinion, because it's only the alternate count. But I can't really defend this scenario with a breakout to the upside from here if we break below 40 cents. But I can tell you that the next relevant support will be 40 cents. So don't be surprised to see a bounce maybe at the 40-cent level, because that could be the bullish count. Yeah, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside in a most likely WXY structure then. Okay, but that is really the last chance for it. Below that, really, there's only structural support left at 35, and that would be another strong decline of around here 11 to 12%. But yeah, this is only the alternative. Only if I see a bounce at 40 cents, which is meaningful, I consider the alternate count. At the moment, it's just following the downtrend, and there's no reason at the moment to change the overall scenario. In fact, we can reduce down relevant resistance to 47 cents, because that's the wave 2 high, and this wave count is valid as long as we stay below that. So now I think we're working on this tiny fourth wave, and would then come down once more in a wave 5. It's going to be interesting, but we're very close to that 40-cent level, which is the pivot between a move to new lows and a possible turnaround in a bullish scenario. Yeah, these pivots are always very, very important. I think I've been talking about it for a week now, this 40-cent level. in the videos, and now we're approaching it, and this will be the meaningful level. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.